Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by enabling the developer console so you can control the game directly. Open Options, Keyboard, Advanced, and toggle the console on, then press the tilde key to bring it up. Once done, consider adding console to your Steam launch options to open it automatically. Make a user config. CFG in the CFG folder and add a couple of safe persistent settings so changes stick between sessions. This saves time and prevents accidental resets when you load maps or update the game. Now you move into the core workflow, entering commands, binding keys, and organizing configs. Type commands like clshofs1 or netgraph1 to get live feedback. These reveal performance versus visual checks. Create aliases for multi-step sequences and bind them to keys so one press executes several commands. Use exec file name to load configs on demand. Remember why? Aliases and CFG files make your setup reproducible, reduce input error, and let you experiment safely by swapping files rather than retyping long commands. Finish by testing everything in a controlled session. Run a local server or offline practice mode and verify each setting behaves as expected. Watch the console output for error messages. Use filter text to find relevant lines quickly. If a command doesn't apply, make sure it's valid for your server type, client, listen, or dedicated, and that SV cheats is set only where appropriate. If things break, revert to a backed up user config. CFG and reapply changes one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.